Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Vechain price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we have been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now fully maximized the minimum target area in the formation of that wave 2, highlighted here on the charts using this blue target area. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.02662 mark. And to get the minimum retracement area in this wave 2, I used the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, and that gave me a minimum retracement area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78. And I said to you in my previous videos that the moment we lose the Fib level 0.78, then that would suggest that Vechain has now hit invalidation of this Elliot wave structure. And you can see that at the time of this recording, at some point we lost the Fib level 0.78 and also the Fib level 0.88, and that now suggests that we have now managed to hit invalidation of this Elliot wave structure that I have right here. And because of that, I'm now resorting to the alternative scenario. So I need to remove this Elliot wave structure from my charts and give you the alternative scenario, where you can see that after seeing our low down there, that is our bear market low down there, we started this massive bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where we saw that 5 wave structure to the upside, giving us a peak at around the $0.03284 mark, and also completing the formation of that first wave to the upside. And after seeing the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 1, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that bottomed out within this blue target area. And since we have now hit invalidation of our micro Elliot wave count within the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 3, which we expected after seeing the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, that suggests that whatever we are seeing at the moment could be a reset of this higher Elliot wave count 2. And there are chances that Vechain might give us a bit of a breakdown to the lower side to fully give us a reset of this low that we made at around the $0.01958 mark. And I can mark that low here on the charts. And if such a move plays out, then that will also be completing a chart pattern that could possibly give us a massive breakout to the upper side in what could be the start of the formation of that wave 3. And in case we see further breakdown and touch that low in the formation of that wave 2 to give us a reset, then from there maybe start another bounce to the upside in what could be the start of this wave 3, that will be completing the formation of a double bottom over here. And if I draw it out, we can have this as the first bottom, then we have seen the formation of the neckline. And in case we see a reset of that second wave and then start our bounce to the upside, then that could possibly give us a breakout to the upper side out of this chart pattern, having the minimum target area of the breakout being given by the height between the neckline and the bottoms. So we can get that height and then place it above the neckline to give us a minimum target area in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what can happen here on the Vechain chart in case further breakdown continues and we fully get a reset of this second wave. And I think that would be the most ideal situation here on the Vechain chart, and we need to keep our eyes on such a scenario here on the Vechain chart. So that is what I'm expecting here on the Vechain chart. And also taking a look at the indicators. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 41 mark, suggesting that we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices, but in case further breakdown continues, that will still be supported on the RSI. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, though we are yet to see that massive increase in the buying volume here on the MACD. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.